Wow, sikhulumeni lasekhaya ula. One day, from the start of the season, it seems like your fortune are changing compared to the last season. The two season you played 13 games, but so far already you have played all the 3 games. What do you think has brought in the change?
I think mentality it is a much that as now myself mentality I'm willing to work more manje and
usho ukuthini bewungasebenze kanzima?
No, I was ukuthi maybe before
mara ineshinje kakhulu umqeqeshi
maybe ucoach opilivelayo ama players asebenza kakhulu manje ama players hard working.
Wandile ngiyabona ukuthi udlala more as winger under coach Nabi compared to last season because udlala as number 9 last season. If maybe we can talk about the change in position.
Nami ngithole manje ukuthi ngiyakhona ukudlala ewingeni ngithole ngocoach Nabi ukuthi ngiyakhona ukudlala ewingeni but uyena ongipreferele ema side team.
Uthi yini prefer ema side team manikhuluma?
I think speed nenqondo
neskill maybe.
Yeah.
Wena uthatha kanjani lo?
Mina nginga because I'm a player willing to work any position engidlala kuyo ngizodlala.
Ubonakala like umqeqeshi uNabi uthembela kini labancane. Kunenzani lokho yanicucutela ukuthi njengebadlali labancane nanani nifake emandla the way ushilo ukuqaleni?
Yeah, I guess encourage but coach Nabo believe ama players sebenza kanzima not ama youngsters kuphela.
Shothi nina ama youngsters nisebenza kanzima manje.
Usebenza kanzima uzokudlalisa. Regardless uthi umncane umdala.
Mhlambe uhluke kangakanani like to the previous coaches who coach Nabi?
I think coach Nabi uhloya kakhulu because yena into ayifuna ama-win phela mentality ama-player akalifuni player kumaqeda kora azohlala phansi into nayo ufuna iplayer elipushayo.
Mawukhangele ngendlela eliqale ngayo season ubona ngathi ingafika i-trophy natural this season.
For sure ayizofika i-trophy this season.
Mara inde ni concentrate kuyo kakhulu any knockout tournament or ni concentrate kakhulu ku league?
Kuwo onke ama-tournament esiwadlala ne-league is concentrate kuwo onke because ama-goal yethu ukwina onke
la nidlala kuwo.
Yeah.
Imidlalo emithathu selidlalile they've all been sold out and njengabadlali abancane however you manage to understand to play the game the occasion.
I think kithi if ubuka ama-game e-DDC lento leyo besiyenzeka already ukuthi ama-stadiums ayagcwala so akusasina ne-pressure kithi so it's just like coming to training noma choyi.
And as Shilo uthi was uShilo now from DDC and kwamanje it's like niyagcwala lapha lenisuka ku DDC kunisiza kangakanani njengebadlali lokuthi nikhona lebaningi nisuka ku DDC?
Akusiza kakhulu because nawe like we are encouraged ukuthi now iPA yami idlala nayo first team like now we are funa ukuspana.
Okay, just if follow up since ushilo ukuthi coach Nabi uthanda lakhe abadlali abasebenza kakhulu nani abancane so maybe iwaphi ama conversation ehlake libe na udlina abadlali abancane no coach Nabi?
Siyakuye if into singa-understand isimbuzo coach ufunani usenze kanjani into le uzochazela akubizele ofisini aku-explainele yonke into kahle as youngsters uma ufuna uku-understand modern football yakhe.
But Wandi ini lokucabanga ukuthi kuchinje kakhulu okay ngiyakuzwa ukuthi coach ufuna abantu labasebenzayo but ini lokuchinje kakhulu ukuthi kusuka maybe lama season la i2 la udlalile after promotion yakho kufika kwamanje ini le ushinje kakhulu like wena ungasho ukuthi no lento le shinje kakhulu naye?
I think mentality njengoba ngishilo sekuqalile ngabe mentality no ishintshile no manje uyafeel ukuthi yazini ngidlalela iChiefs and ngifuna ukuspana because ngidlalela iChiefs.
Lento mentality ucoach uyayikhuluma na because onke umdlalo ofikela namuhla yonke lesikhuluma na ukhuluma ngementality uyanitshela ucoach ngementality all nini niyayifila?
Siyayifila nayo uyasitshela ukuthi very mentality ethu ufanele ikhombise ukuthi ama-player Chiefs.
Ini lokhu kufanele ukwenze ukuthi ube player iChiefs lehlukile kulamanye amaqembu?
I think give 110% more than any team odlala against you.
And then udlala nomuntu njengo Miguel Inacio unjani dressing room uyakhuluma what kind of person is he?
A true leader, I'm not gonna lie. True leader, yeah. Like you encourage, especially as youngsters. We are trying to go sponsor Spain. We are push kakhulu. so yena leader yangempela. Not saying ama player khona thi ama leader, but then yena yabona lento yakhe yedwa ukuthi mayabona ukuthi we having a bad game uzabo uyakupush uthi dlala grand qhubeka upush
captain ngela armband.
yeah kanjalo.
Okay, lokukhuluma umthoko oshilo ngamikeo but nalabanye abadlali labasha labafikile in le beze nayo le ishintshile le ubona wena uthi no labadlali labasha bo Serinyo bo Do3 bo goalkeeper Ntwali in le ishintshile.
I think coming from their teams bebazi ukuthi bazodlalela iChiefs, so bona ba ede le mentality ukuthi yazini bafethu udlalela iChiefs fanele siwine fanele sispanning sonke.
After last season yakho kumfuno Vilakazi in the first game, did you guys talk afterwards?
Not really. Sikhulumanga.
Najabula
Just celebrating with.
Because I'm checking, Leranga is the only maybe tried and tested strike. Now we strike, but ngokushilo ukuthi uqala ukubona manje ukuthi wena. Mocabanga mhlawumbe khona lapho ngasiza khona ku striking department was iphethe igranga kakhulu.
Yeah, for sure, because very natural position yami strike. So if no coach na yabona ukuthi uranga une pressure kakhulu, I think uzokwenza some small changes yabo.
Game ye-Sundowns ngibona udropha kakhulu siza ku-defense, something that I've never seen in a game. What was the instruction from your coach and how did you find that role?
I'm not familiar with wing back, but then we knew ukuthi bona ba attack ngeside la right and Morena is speed, so him play well say ground and bezo khona ukudila naye speed.
How motivating is it for you xa ngibona abantu abafana no winning big games for big teams and also knowing that you played with him? What did you say?
I guess inspire nathi senza believe ukuthi one thing ngaba yithi senza le nto ayenzayo.
But tell me, Maukangele, I mean, you are equally talented. What has been the difference between when and now Mufukeng?
No, I don't want to compare myself to Mufukeng.
No, I'm not saying compare yourself.
You play league when I'm play league. So.
No, I'm not saying compare yourself. Niti, from where you are, in the last seasons, we've not seen the best of you, but we know you're talented. But on the other hand, Pirates, we've seen Mufukeng grow from strength to strength. What's been the difference?
I think because ngendlela ithi maybe perform ngayo, it was hard for us ukuthi sikhona ukukhombisa kahle our real talent yabo ukuthi si talented kangakanani. Yes, for really Pirates is cruising nicely, so yonke into ayenzayo ngispanela futhi nama coaches are different lokashintsha like yabo bekuba nzima for us.
So cabanga ukuthi maybe singasho ukuthi ipressure because i-team beyingenze kahle bene pressure ukuthi maybe mawushaya style yakhumbula umfundo ushaya style le abantu baqala umblame futhi uthi ni winner 2-1 but ushaya style. So cabanga ukuthi ipressure nana as usho ukuthi Pirates is cruising nicely. I-pressure nana iyakwenza lokuthi ungaziveze kunguwe wakho.
Yeah kakhulu because like wena into oyifunayo ufuna ama results awusadlala ngalendlela odlala ngayo, so udlala ngendlela ucoach akutshela ukuthi idlala ngayo kanjani awusavezi ikhono lakho straight.
And then tell me, in terms of your conditioning, I think we saw maybe going back to pre-season and how different has it been, and how important is it for Lina as a team, conditioning?
It was hard to take. I'm from Kambama. Take it was hard. Baby, pre-season yami yokuqala ibinzima le. I think it's easier cool because manje coming to the games we fit. Yabona ingqondo yakhona ucabanga grand.
Sharp one.